Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
गोयच्या आयडीसीन केंद्रीय खण मंत्रालयाकडच्यान मध्य प्रदेशातल्या डोंगरी त्राल वाठारात कोळशाची खाण पावणेर घेतल्या. थंय कोळशाचे उत्खनन करूंक वीज निर्मितीक पॉवर डेव्हलपर सोदप चल्ला. मात मुजत जाली तरी आयडीसीच्या बिडांक पॉवर डेव्हलपरांचो रिस्पॉन्स ना.
We have not received any bidders. One bidder which was not very responsive as per the guidelines, and that last date is on 30th September. So what we'll do, we'll send it to the government now. Since we have not received any bidders, we'll send it to the government for further action to be taken. Okay. What decision they are going to take.
त्या वटेन वेर्णा सरकारान SEZचो परत ताब्यात घेतिल्लो प्लॉट पावणेर काढला.
The main thing is now the auctioning of land at Verna, which is almost 5 lakh square meters. Where made 31 plots are there from areas starting 1.5 to almost 25,000 and a little bit more. There also we have advertised 16th of this month. We're expecting the people to come in from all over the country, where the pre-bid meeting will be on the 29th, and thereafter on 24th October all submission online bids, which is the last day, will be given.
5 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर जमनीचे 31 प्लॉट केल्यात. बेज प्राइस 5,000 दवरून पावणेर काढल्यात. 24 ऑक्टोबर मेरेन बिडिंग.
The base price is I think about 5,000 is the base price.
Okay.
Yeah, 5,000 the base
all
price.
plots.
For this, yeah, 30 for all plots. Basically.
Okay, and estimated कितले येवपाक शकता एकूण revenue?
That's almost about 250 crores will come in.
जितले लोन काढलं ते एके फायलाकातल्यान रिकवर
Yes, absolutely.
आणि आयडीसी कडे आणि लँड आहा न्हू, लँड पोर्शन अदर आयडीसी एरिया.
Yeah.
SEZ area.
Yeah, that we are focusing on this land so that we can clear the loan, and other land automatically will be sold. Same with Lata Barsha also, is a new estate. We got everything done, conversion done with the help of Honorable Chairman Sir Pramod Sawant. And now there are things we just discussed that our C also was there of the electricity department, where we are working on the electricity. So we told OMD also, Mr. Ashok, Secretary was there, Ashok Kumar was there, where we told him to go ahead with the advertisement of these plots. In the meantime, also the water has to be organized. Roads, everything has been done there. And also, Unicam is already there, applied a long time back when Parakirji was there that time. So we are working on those estates as well as this, so that we can sell and ensure that the corporation and entrepreneurs, new entrepreneurs are coming.
कोण बोली चढ लायता ताका प्लॉट. प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिलकार.